Good day everyone, this is Arduino entitled Controlling LED by Clock Using Sound Sensor. So first we have this cons in LED or LED pin is equals to 4. This is to define the digital pin for the LED. And then we have this sound pin is equals to A2. This is to define the analog pin A2 for the sound sensor. And then we have this threshold is equals to 150. This is to set the threshold value of 150 for sound detection. And next we have the setup function. First, we have this defining inside the setup function. We have the serial begin 9600. This is to initialize serial communication at 9600 baud rate for debugging. And then we have this pin mode, LED pin and output. This is to set pin 4 or the LED pin as an output. And then we have another pin mode. The sound pin is sound pin and input. This is to set the pin A2 or the sound sensor pin as an input. And then we have this loop function. Inside the loop function, we have this in sound sense is equals to analog red sound pin. This is just to read the analog data from the sound sensor. And then we have this serial println. Inside the println, we have this value sound sense. This is just to print the sensor reading to the serial monitor for observation. And then we have this if else condition. The if condition is sound sense is greater than equal to threshold. This is to check if the sensor reading is greater than or equal to the sensor and or equal to the threshold rather. And then we have this digital write LED pin and high. This is to turn on the LED if the sound level is above the threshold. And then we have this delay 500. This is just to keep the LED on for 500 milliseconds. And then we have the else condition. And we have this digital write LED pin and low. This is to turn off the LED if the sound level is below the threshold.